Until we get to a grade crossing. Very slow speeds. I don't know what's going on. We gotta go very, very slow. And then we pick up speed again. So yeah, this has been like this after Wyandanch on the Ronkonkoma line. It's typical for the main line. We're like 20 minutes late, the train. The Avalon Branch is fine though. So it's good. There are the pines. Sure do look pretty. Yes, fortunately I'm on an M9. Yeah, here's some arcing going on.
Next station is Deer Park.
Yeah, we're having some issues here on the Ronkonkoma line though. So again, using the railroad, take the Avalon Branch.